Hi everyone, it's Chris here from OPMC. If you like these videos, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to find out more. Now on with the review. Today we are reviewing the official WooCommerce Subscriptions plugin by WooCommerce. As you can see here, it is $199 per year, which includes support and has a 30-day money-back guarantee. It has some compatibility requirements, and it was last updated just a couple of days ago, in fact. The plugin is undoubtedly one of the most popular paid plugins on the WooCommerce.com marketplace. If you take a look at the version history, you can see that it's been around for a while. In fact, it goes back all the way to version 1 when it was managed by another company in 2012. So it's not new to the scene. Here though, you can get a rundown on all the key functionality. The primary goal of this plugin is to allow you to fairly easily start selling subscription products. Subscription products have become much more popular over the last decade, especially with SaaS companies. But for e-commerce providers, it's probably a little bit more of a new initiative. For example, pet companies that are selling pet food online with a subscription model. But it can be very lucrative to secure and lock in paying customers every month rather than relying on one-off payments. One of the important things about this sort of functionality is you do need to be able to have the flexibility with the system to be able to do various different things, and this is certainly what this plugin does provide. It gives the ability to change subscriptions. It does let the customer have multiple subscriptions. Customers can downgrade and upgrade, and this is important because it's something that you want to be able to make as easy as possible for the customer to stay with you. I think that if you are going to have a plugin that is going to be on your site and increasing your revenue every month as easily as possible, it does need to be flexible for the customer. So many of the features that have been added over time allow that flexibility. The plugin does also have a number of there's additional plugins that you can buy, so there is additional expenses, but they do allow an enhanced, improved functionality that the core plugin doesn't provide. One of the downsides to this plugin definitely is that it doesn't do everything and anything for everyone, and so that's reflected in the customer reviews with just a 3.5 star rating. Note that this does, this is their all-time rating. You can see that most people sit on the fence. 50% of people are saying it's easy to use, 50% say it has good support, and 50% say it works well. You can see that there are a lot of 1-star reviews where 44% have a 5-star review, 23% of reviews are 1-star. So it does suggest quite a lot of dissatisfaction. There are recent reviews which have 1-star, and this continues on till last year. I think a lot of the issues that people have relate to how easy it is to set up and how reliable it is. This has certainly been an issue in the past. You can see here with this review, some people just give up. It's too hard. So some people do have very strong opinions about the plugin, and this is to be expected with any plugin that you buy. So it is important to read the reviews and understand whether it's right for you. Also important to look at the dates of the reviews too. For example, this one at the top here is from July 2018, and while it has been well rated as an issue, it was 3 or 4 years ago, so it's hopefully changed since then. My personal experience with this plugin is that it is pretty straightforward for a developer to set up. but it can be a bit fiddly and problematic as you upgrade your WordPress and WooCommerce software. Now, however, the plugin is managed by WooCommerce, so I would like to think that both the customer service and the reliability of the plugin are a lot better than they used to be. If you want to learn more about the plugin, read some of the reviews, and read this page in full, please view the comment section, the description below, and we'll provide a link to the product on WooCommerce.com. Please note we do make a small commission off any sale that's made through the link, and any clicks on that link are greatly appreciated to help support our business and our channel. Thanks, and if you like this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to get similar reviews in future